Hello everyone. Welcome back. Let's get started. First, open the Suno AI website and sign into your account. Click Create to start a new song. Now comes the most important step, the prompt. Instead of writing something simple like happy song, be as descriptive as possible. Include the genre, mood, tempo, instruments, vocal style, and the overall feeling you want. For example, an upbeat pop anthem with catchy female vocals, energetic drums, bright synths, uplifting lyrics about chasing dreams, radio quality production. Or a cinematic orchestral soundtrack with emotional piano, powerful strings, epic percussion, dramatic build-up, and a hopeful ending. You can also describe the vocalist. For example, warm male vocals, soft female vocals, soulful R and B singer, powerful rock voice, indie folk style. Yeah, cool. Dreamy ambient vocals. Next, specify the song structure if needed. Ask for an intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, guitar solo, or a memorable outro. Giving the AI a clear structure often produces more polished songs. If you're writing your own lyrics, paste them into the lyrics section and use the prompt only to describe the musical style. If you want Suno AI to write the lyrics, describe the topic clearly, such as love, motivation, travel, friendship, gaming, or summer vacation. Here are a few high-quality prompt examples. Modern pop with catchy hooks, female vocals, upbeat rhythm, clean production, inspiring lyrics about success. Melodic hip-hop with deep bass, atmospheric synths, confident rap verses, emotional chorus, modern trap drums. Relaxing lo-fi beat with soft piano, vinyl crackle, jazzy chords, gentle rain ambience, perfect for studying. Alternative rock with electric guitars, energetic drums, emotional male vocals, powerful chorus, stadium atmosphere. Modern country featuring acoustic guitar, warm storytelling vocals, fiddle, heartfelt lyrics about small town life. If your first result isn't perfect, don't worry. Change one or two parts of the prompt at a time, such as the mood, instruments, or tempo, and generate another version. Small prompt improvements often lead to dramatically better songs. And that's it. That's how you can write powerful Suno AI prompts to create better music. The more specific your prompt, the better your results will usually be. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.